Door of Hope has big news. For the first time ever, we're joining in the ASICS LA Marathon in 2015 as an official partner charity. Each year, over 20,000 people join together to do something incredible. Run 26.2 miles through some of LA's most famous areas. It's an awesome opportunity for us to do something brand new and to have a real impact on ending family homelessness. You may wonder, running a marathon, how can that make a difference? Well, at Door of Hope, we believe in action. And if accomplishing the goal of running one of the most scenic marathons in America isn't enough, imagine doing it knowing that your advocacy and membership in our team is making a real impact on the lives of families without homes. If you're worried that you're not a professional runner or you haven't done a marathon before, don't worry, neither have I. As part of our team, you'll have the access to support, resources, and encouragement to make this experience a great one. So this is where you come in. We can't do this on our own. We want you to run with us, to rally around children and families in need, knowing that your hard work and incredible accomplishment will contribute to another mission, ending family homelessness. Sign up today as a member of the Door of Hope team and run with me. All the information you need is at the end of this video. I'll see you at the finish line.